This video will instruct you on how to clean your equipment. The Tamp has a wonderful feature, picture-prompted cleaning. Profitable espresso programs depend on an engaged staff who aren't afraid to fully maximize the investment of high-performing equipment. However, in hectic serving environments, training often takes a back seat because there simply isn't enough time. Picture-prompted cleaning touchscreen on the Bun Espress Super Automatic is a new approach to this daily requirement of great drink execution. Instead of trying to find time to read manuals or view training videos, our large 7-inch touchscreen display high-resolution photograph tutorials, not illustrations, to guide the operator step by step through proper cleaning techniques. This video will demonstrate how to properly clean your espresso machine. It is essential to the continued operation of the equipment and satisfaction of your customers. The brewing system must be cleaned to remove coffee oils and residue that can clog filters. The milk system must be cleaned to remove milk residue. Milk buildup can impair the function and can allow bacteria to grow. The daily cleaning procedure is accessed via the Care and Cleaning tab on screen. At start of the cleaning cycle, the operator will use the step-by-step picture-prompted cleaning instructions. Let's review the process. The cleaning cycle is performed every 24 hours. If a cleaning cycle is not performed or not fully completed to the end, the machine will lock out until the cleaning cycle has been successfully finished. Required cleaning supplies and tools: cleaning brush, cleaning tube, Cafesa coffee cleaning tablets, Rinza acid milk system cleaning tablets, clean towel, a pitcher or container able to hold 65 ounces, hot water for sanitize, 185 degrees Fahrenheit, 65 degrees Celsius minimum, sanitizing solution, access to sink, access to trash bin. After holding the Bun logo, you will arrive at the Care and Cleaning screen. To initiate the cleaning cycle, press the Care and Cleaning icon and follow prompts. Lower the cup shelf. Place empty cleaning pitcher under the dispense head and press Continue. The machine will pump hot water into the pitcher. This water will be used to rinse the milk tubes. Please leave the pitcher in place until the screen changes. Open fridge and remove milk tubes from milk container. Insert the milk tubes into the pitcher. Ensure the tips are submerged and touching the bottom of the pitcher. Then press Continue on the display screen. A portion of the initial hot water is to pull milk out of the tubes so that no milk is introduced into the cleaning water. Add 1 Rinza acid milk system cleaning tablet into the pitcher of water. Then press Continue. Open the operator door and sweep the brew chamber deck with the brush. Then press Continue. Insert 1 Cafesa coffee cleaning tablet into the chute on top of the machine. Then press Continue. Position the cleaning tube under the dispense tips. Then press Continue. The machine will perform several soap and soak and then rinse cycles to ensure that the coffee and milk systems are clean. Empty and rinse the pitcher. Add 64 ounces, 2 liters of hot water, 185 degrees Fahrenheit, 65 degrees Celsius. Reinsert the tubes and place the pitcher in the fridge. Then press Continue. Empty and store the pitcher. Wipe the milk tubes with a clean cloth, slightly damp with sanitizer. Clean the walls of the fridge. Then press Continue. A prompt will ask to prime the milk. Select yes if beverages will continue to be served. Select no if it is the end of the business day. Remove and store the cleaning tube. Remove puck bin and drip tray grate. Wash the drip tray grate. Empty and clean the puck bin. Clean the drip tray grate with a damp cloth. Reinstall the puck bin and drip tray grate. Then press continue. The screen will be deactivated for 15 seconds. Wipe the screen with a clean, slightly damp cloth. You have completed the cleaning cycle on the Tamp Auto.